Hey guys, it's Kylie. I want to show you how my magic bullet can be used two different ways. So I'm making myself an iced coffee with protein in it. There's ice, I fill it up quite a bit. Then I'm gonna add my protein shake. Today it's cookies and cream. Then I'm gonna add some room temperature coffee from this morning. And then I'm gonna add some skinny syrup. This is a caramel. Next, I'm just gonna twist the top on and spin. There's my blended coffee. There's only about 1 point worth of this Premier Protein in there. I count the entire shake and drink it all within 1 day. This is a 3-point shake, but if you're just counting the portion that you use to do this, it would just be 1. I'm gonna make Joseph a little smoothie. He is not a big fan of iced coffee as much as me. So I'm just gonna add, which I have a little fruit salad right now. I'm gonna just add some fruit in here for him. Then I'm gonna add a Dannon Light and Fit yogurt. And then I'm gonna add some almond milk. Next thing I'm gonna do is blend her up. And then Joseph has a fruit smoothie. So that's what I love about this magic bullet. It can be used either way. I just made Joseph a smoothie and me an iced coffee, and it's perfect. Saved some money to make these things for ourselves at home and a little bit healthier since we know exactly what's in it.